Hi students of grade 7 and 8. Now the competition for y'all that forms a part of the R.K. Lakshman Memorial Literary Conclave is a little more challenging, and we hope that you all are able to do justice to it. So this is of course the Indian Resolution Conclave. Now what we are really wanting you all to do here is that we're going to be allocating you all a specific state. You all need to research about that state, make a small PowerPoint presentation which really talks about the different problems, or rather the biggest issue that a state is suffering from, and suggest solutions for the same. Now as far as the biggest issue that a state is suffering from is something for you all to decide. Every state in India has a lot of good things, a lot of bad things, but what according to you all is the worst thing is something that you all need to decide yourselves, and we will accept it. We are looking for your point of view, and your solutions are also completely acceptable to us, now as far as the state is concerned and your PowerPoint presentation is concerned, do not keep it to more than 10 slides. You all will easily be able to even finish this off in 8 slides if you are able to put in the content well. We are not looking at slides that are full of content. A PowerPoint presentation is never one that has a lot of content. A good PowerPoint presentation is one that has specific content. If it has some images, some diagrams, something that can explain to the audience is not going to be reading your PowerPoint presentations. They want to see some images. They want to hear you all speak. Okay, so try and keep your PowerPoint presentations and the slides less content heavy and probably more visual based. It will really help. More images. Okay, keep the first 2-3 slides about the state, a basic introduction. Don't go into details. You can talk something special about the state. For example, what is special about Maharashtra, the different dances, or something special about the culture of Maharashtra, or some things that you can be really proud about if you're a part of Maharashtra. Okay, the next 2-3 slides after that, you need to cover the biggest problems the state is facing. You decide which is the biggest problem, choose one problem and discuss that. And the last 4-5 slides are the most important. This is where you mention the solutions which you can suggest to solve that particular problem. So as I said, let the presentation have a maximum of 10 slides, and try and pick up various problems which are unique to the state. Don't try and pick up poverty, illiteracy. This is uniform across India. Try and pick up a specific problem. Okay. Now your marking criteria is of course your presentation. Now presentation includes how you are looking as well as how good your presentation is. Okay. As I said, do not keep it content heavy. It's not great. Facial expressions, your voice modulation and facial expressions, very important. How you're able to connect with the audience. Your facial expressions help you connect with the audience. If you're going to keep a stone face, the audience is going to feel that it is weird. Because for example, when you're speaking in regular life as well, it is very difficult for a person to speak stone face. So try and remember how you speak in regular life and try and speak accordingly there. Okay. Your presentation quality, your eloquence, how articulate you are, how you're finishing each one of your words, your syllables, your fluency, all of this gets checked in eloquence. And lastly, your delivery and poise, how you're delivering your presentation. Since 2 of you all are going to be participating, each team, there needs to be a level of coordination between you all as well. Okay, it shouldn't be like you're saying, one participant is saying, okay, your turn, okay, your turn. This should all be coordinated from before itself. And please be calm and composed. Do not get scared, Grade 7 and 8 students, especially since you're just reaching that stage of becoming a teenager, you all tend to be a little more conscious about yourselves. So please don't be so conscious. Don't worry about it. Your life is just getting more colorful as a teenager. So do not really get scared of the opportunity that you're getting. I wish you all the best and do really well.